Experiencing issues like freezing, black screens, or unresponsiveness with your Mazda CX-5's infotainment system? A reset can often solve the problem. There are two main types, soft reset and factory reset. A soft reset is your first line of defense. Hold the power/volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen reboots. This clears temporary glitches without deleting personal data and takes about 1 to 2 minutes. If a soft reset doesn't work, perform a factory reset. This restores the system to default settings, erasing saved data like paired devices and presets. Access through Settings, System, Factory Reset, or use a USB drive with Mazda's firmware tool. Ensure the vehicle is in park with engine off. This is irreversible for user data. If basic resets fail, disconnect the car battery for 30 minutes to discharge capacitors, resolving persistent black screen issues. For ongoing black screens, check the 12 volts auxiliary power outlet or consider replacing the display module, costing $500 to $800. Distinguish software from hardware issues. Software problems fix with resets and updates. Hardware requires parts replacement. The Mazda CX-5 infotainment system uses Linux-based architecture connected to the vehicle's ECU. Mazda will continue updates. Trends include seamless integration, OTA capabilities, AI diagnostics for predicting resets, wireless Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Older MZD systems phase out by 2030 for cloud-based platforms, reducing black screens via predictive maintenance.